video to cover the issues in getting SNTP to connect. Log into the switch here. Now, according to the guide that was sent for the web operation, we should be here in section 3 for network, and system time would be section 3.2, which is network system time. Going back to this switch, we will see that in the network section there is no option for network time. It is indeed found underneath system on this switch. Down here at system time, and the default date has shown up as 12/31/22 and about 4 p.m. is the default time that the switch resets to. If we switch over to SNTP, I currently have an IP address there that comes from nist.gov for one of the NIST servers. And if I apply, shows success. However, we can see that the date and time have not actually changed. Running down to the diagnostics section, we can try pinging this IP address. And the ping fails for the host name. Switch that because it's an IP address. And again, ping fails. Oddly enough, I am able to access the internet through this switch through the uplink. Doing a little bit of digging, seems the issue is likely related to the switch not passing traffic upstream. And if we go back up to the network section, because this is where the interfaces are set and how the switch connects to a remote server to get services. It shows that we would navigate to network IP address for a screen like this. Again, this is not the case on the S3200. It is in the network section. However, I'm going to scroll down and we have IPv4 management, and then we must go to interface. And the default interface there is still set to static. The switch comes set static to a 192.168 address. And this apparently is actually part of the problem with getting the time. There's no default gateway setting as shown in the guide. And the switch does not enter in a default route. It just adds a route for the local network setting. We can actually add what should have already been here for the default route. And we can go back down to diagnostics. We should be able to ping one of the NIST servers. And comes back with 100% packet loss, which does not look correct. However, if we can find system time again, there we are, should now be able to, oh, it has already updated the system date and time. I've also found that going back into the network interface, IPv4, if I can find it. Switching this interface to a dynamic so that it pulls its address from the DHCP server. It will also correct the issue with the SNTP setting and being able to reach out to an external server.